In this video, we'll learn the question number 2 of exercise 2.3. Let us start. So first part we are doing 2t power. So first question we are doing 2 raised to power 2. So first question we are doing 2t raised to power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12 need to be divided by t square minus 3. Okay, so as the rule suggested in the previous video, I have taught you how to do this. Here see the highest degree term, that is 2t4, and here also the highest degree term, that is t square. Now what should be multiplied with t square so that I get 2t raised to power 4? Simply we need 2 powers more, so t square we require, isn't it? We require t square more and 2 should be there, so 2 will be also taken. So when we multiply t square with 2t square, so 2 will be there, and t square into t square will be t raised to power 2 plus 2, that is 4, right? So therefore 2t square is here. T square into 2t square is 2t4 and minus 3 into 2t square is minus 6t square. Now changing the sign. So this positive will be turned negative, this negative will be turned as positive. Now this will be cancelled. 3t cube as it is, right? And plus 6t square minus 2t square is 4t square, minus 90 as it is, minus 12 as it is. So now I require plus 3t cube. Okay, plus 3t cube. What should be multiplied to t square to get 3t cube? So t square, so we need one more t, so we'll multiply it with 1t only, and 3 is also required, so 3t. So on multiplying we'll get 3 into t square into t, that is t cube. So t square into 3t is 3t cube. Okay, and minus 3 into 3t is minus 9t. And you see I have written this minus 90 under this minus 90. Here the space is empty, right? Okay, this space is empty, nothing is there. So I'll just change the sign of this 3t cube as negative, this minus 90 as positive, and 3t cube minus 3t cube cancelled out, and minus 90 plus 90 cancelled out. So now we have 4t square and minus 12. Now what should be multiplied to t square to get 4t square? So t square is already there, just 4 is required, so we will multiply it with 4. 4 into t square is 4t square, minus 3 into 4 is minus 12, and just simply changing the sign, everything will be cancelled out. So the remainder is 0, and when remainder is 0 means t square minus 3 is the factor of this whole thing, right? Now next one, we need to check whether this is a factor of this polynomial. So again we'll divide this with this polynomial, right? So 3x4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2 divided by x square plus 3x plus 1. So first of all we need to see the highest degree term here and here also. What need to be multiplied to x square to get 3x4? What need to be multiplied with x square to get 3x4? Yes, first of all we need 1x square, right? So x square into x square will become x4 definitely. And also we require 3, so 3x square. So x square into 3x square will become 3x4, right? So here I have written 3x square. So x square into 3x square is 3x4. Okay, then this 3x multiplied by this 3x square, 3 3s are 9, x into x square will be x cube, so 9x cube, right? This element 9x cube. Then this 1 will be multiplied to 3x square, we'll get 1 into 3x square, that is 3x square. Okay, 3x square, right? Now we'll change the sign. So since this is positive, we'll make it negative. Since this is positive, we'll make it negative. Since this is positive, we'll make it negative. So I'll just change the sign to negative. Okay, now this will be cancelled, 5x cube minus 9x cube is minus 4x cube. Minus 7x square minus 3x square is minus 10x square. Originally it was positive, but later on the sign has been changed to negative. So minus 7x square minus 3x square is minus 10x square. This as it is, this as it is. What should be multiplied with x square to get minus 4x cube? What should be multiplied with x square to get minus 4x cube? So first of all, to make it x cube, we require 1x, isn't it? So 1x is required, definitely. So x square into x will become x cube. Also we require this minus 4. So we need to multiply it with minus 4x. Got my point? We need to multiply it with minus 4x. Only then we'll get minus 4x cube. So here you can see we are multiplying with minus 4x. So x square into minus 4x is minus 4x cube. 3x into minus 4x is minus 12x square. And 1 into minus 4x will be minus 4x. Okay. And now we'll just change the signs. Negative will become positive. Here again negative will become positive. Negative will become positive. Right. And now simply this will be cancelled. 12 minus 10 will be 2. Plus 4 plus 2 will be 6. And this plus 2 as it is. And now what need to be multiplied to x square to get 2x square? Simply a 2 is required. So x square into 2 is 2x square. And 3x into 2 is 6x. 1 into 2 is 2. And now we'll change the sign. Everything is positive, so we'll change to negative, and then everything will cancel out and the remainder will be 0. Since the remainder is 0, we can say that x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of this whole thing. So now we'll do third part. So this x raised to power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1 need to be divided by x cube minus 3x plus 1. So here I've written everything here, divided by x cube minus 3x plus 1. What should be multiplied to x cube to get x5? This is the question. So x cube is there. What need to be multiplied to get x5? So I'll multiply in x cube, I'll multiply x square. Okay. So x cube into x square will give us x3 plus 2, that is 5 power. So x cube into x square is x5. Similarly, minus 3x into x square will give us minus 3x cube, right? And 1 into x square will give us x square. Now, since this is positive, I made it negative. Negative I made as positive. Positive I made as negative. Now, this will be cancelled. Minus 4 plus 3 will be minus 1x cube. This will be cancelled. And then this plus 3x and then this plus 1, right? Now, what should be multiplied to x cube to get minus x cube? To get minus x cube, just simply multiply x cube with minus 1, because already x cube is there, just minus 1 is required. So x cube will be multiplied with minus 1. X cube into minus 1 is minus x cube, minus 3x into minus 1 is plus 3x, and 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Now just change the sign. Negative will become positive, positive will become negative, and negative will become positive, and everything will be cancelled. Right? Except for this one. So the remainder is 2 in this case. Therefore, this x cube minus 3x plus 1 is not the factor of x5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So this is the end of question number 2. For question number 3, watch the next video. Thank you.